Capital K. Draw a standing line between the first red line and second blue line. Again draw a right slant line from first red line to the middle of the standing line. From there, draw a left slant line to the second blue line. This is capital K. Small k. Draw a standing line between the first red line and second blue line. Again, draw a right slant line from first blue line to middle of the standing line. From there, draw a left slant line to the second blue line. This is small k.
K for kite. K I T E kite. K for key. K E Y key. K for kangaroo. K A N G A R O O kangaroo. K for king. K I N G king.
Capital L. Draw a standing line between the first red line and second blue line. Now, from the bottom of the standing line, draw a sleeping line on the second blue line. This is capital L. Small l. Draw a standing line starting from the first red line and stop at the second blue line. This is small l.
L for lamp. L A M P lamp. L for lock. L O C K lock. L for leaf. L E A F leaf. L for lion. L I O N lion.
Capital M. small m. Draw a standing line between the first blue line and second blue line. From there, make a downward curve between the two blue lines and make another downward curve touching the second blue line. This is small m.
M for mango. M A N G O, mango. M for moon. M O O N, moon. M for man. M A N, man. M for monkey. M O N K E Y, monkey.
Capital N. Draw a standing line from first red line to second blue line. From the top of the standing line, draw a left slant line to the second blue line. Now, lift the pencil, draw another standing line from first red line to second blue line to meet the end of the left slant line. This is capital N. Small n. Draw a standing line between the two blue lines and go up on the same line to draw a downward curve between the two blue lines. This is small n.
N for nib. N I B, nib. N for nest. N E S T, nest. N for net. N E T, net. N for nose. N O S E, nose.
Capital O. Draw a big circle between the first red line and second blue line. This is capital O. Small o. Draw a circle between the two blue lines. This is small O.
O for orange. O R A N G E, orange. O for ox. O X, ox. O for ostrich. O S T R I C H, ostrich. O for all. O W L, all.